Hey, Aaron. It's a rainy day. It's about 6 o'clock at night. We're sitting in the garage watching the rain. I'm taking a video of everyone, Aaron. What are you doing, Daddy?
Blowing up balls. Is that one you blow up?
Ethan, look at me. Extreme close-up. Oh, dude, that's really extreme. Okay, stay there. Nope, stand up. Show us your tooth. Missing tooth in action. Okay, we're out of here now.